What is good, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. I hope everyone's had a fantastic day and I wish everyone a happy new year in advance. So let's jump into the news and demystify this cryptocurrency space. So you may have seen big news today and kind of yesterday. There's been a new ETF that has been filed by Vaneck. If you're new to the cryptocurrency space, this isn't the first time Vaneck has attempted to file and pass a Bitcoin ETF. They've revoked their two previous attempts in the past, as other Bitcoin ETFs were rejected. We had the SEC reject one from Direxon, citing the ease of manipulation from the SEC. They rejected the Winklevoss's twins Bitcoin ETF. They rejected the Wilshire Phoenix's Bitcoin ETF. So this has been a recurring theme. The SEC has rejected several attempts in the past, over the past 2 years, stretching back as far as 2018.
Is this the last straw for Bitcoin ETFs? How 2 years we've been doing Bitcoin ETFs, getting thrown out by the SEC.
I doubt very heavily that it's going to be the last straw. I think everyone will continue to listen to the feedback and the notes from the SEC, what their comments are, and they will continue to address it. At some point, when market demand and investor demand, pushes the pendulum to a certain area, they'll probably take another look at it and have different kinds of consideration. I don't think it's the last straw, but I don't predict any significant changes from the SEC's decision in the near future.
Any thoughts?
That's right. You'll see a central bank cryptocurrency before you'll see a Bitcoin ETF.
Part of what they're waiting for is a little bit more structure and oversight into the operational complexity of cryptocurrency transactions. Remember, these are ledger kind of transactions, so this is not something that's as standard as a DTC settlement. I think when we start to see more risk diversification and more understanding about how these various products, not just Bitcoin, how they operate, I think that's probably what's needed at the commission level.
So I assume that Vaneck believe that the SEC will come around, perhaps due to the momentum being driven by institutions and their love for crypto. So we'll see where this goes. It's always been said that Bitcoin ETF is the holy grail for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, as ETFs are traditionally the way in which institutional investors, pension funds, hedge funds, endowment funds would normally get exposure to a particular commodity or asset. So we'll see where this goes. Next up, keeping in with the theme of institutional investors entering the space, there has been a Canadian firm, NexTech AR Solutions, who have announced that they will be adding Bitcoin to their treasury. So NexTech, who are a virtual reality and augmented reality solutions provider, have announced that they will be making an initial, and again, emphasis on an initial investment of $2 million into Bitcoin, and they may add more in 2021. A quote from their CEO is, "Our investment in Bitcoin is part of our new capital diversification and allocation strategy with the intent to maximize long-term value for our shareholders." So they obviously believe in the long-term view of Bitcoin as a store of value. He continued to say, "The initial investment reflects our belief that Bitcoin is a long-term store of value and an attractive investment asset with more long-term appreciation potential than holding cash, which is currently yielding 0.06%. Bitcoin is a digital version of gold and has a total market capitalization of 10 trillion versus gold has a total market capitalization of 10 trillion versus Bitcoin's total market capitalization of only 500 billion. We think that as part of the digital transformation, a paradigm shift to digital gold is underway, and as Bitcoin is seen as more as a store of value, just like gold, it will catch up with gold." So they obviously believe in Bitcoin's ability to capture some of gold's market cap. So we will see more and more of this, just expect it. So if I were you, I'd keep stacking sats and chills, because we are still very, 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 very early, guys. This is institutional investors and just the very, very start of the curve. So watch this space. Again, NexTech, big news. And other news of today, Grayscale have actually just clocked $16.3 billion in assets under management in their Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. This is currently the major way that institutions and hedge funds are getting exposure to Bitcoin at the moment. Obviously, it comes with a premium, so it's great to see that there is demand for Bitcoin and crypto assets if they are spending 16.3 billion of client money. So this is really, really great to see. And yeah, there's a diagram here just showing there is no slowing down of institutional accumulation. So watch this space, guys. And that is it. I wish everyone a happy new year. Wish everyone more gains in 2021. And yeah, peace.